Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an AN postcard decline issue. First, check your account's balance to make sure that you have enough funds for the payment. Next, confirm that your card is active and not expired. An expired or blocked card cannot process payments. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, try the transaction again. Restart your phone if needed. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. If the card is still declined, contact AN Post Support because the bank may have blocked the transaction for security reasons. That's how you fix the AN Postcard decline. Subscribe for more.